Hey guys, today I purchased many variety chips and chocolates or cakes. Let's see the chips and chocolates cake I purchases. This is cheese ball chips, Darjan chips, fresh crispy wafer, strawberry cake, Orlino milk wafer, Nick chocolate, cheese puff chips, cream chips, chocolate pillows chips. Another company's chips puffs. Play-Doh chips. Milk flavor muffin. Mr. Noodles ramen. Kurkure cream and onion flavor. Tim biscuit snacks. Lay's salted flavor. Kurkure spicy chicken flavor. Lemon flavor biscuit and Nick chocolate. Velvet chocolate. Dairy milk chocolate. Chocolate biscuit. Here is my all snacks and emotion. Next video will coming soon. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.